Welcome back to Rolling Country Outdoors. Scott here, and we are just going to put together a workbench real quick out here in the barn. I've been needing to do this. I got Ann here to help me, so we're going to put this workbench together. So hang tight, let's get started here. All right, we're just making an 8-foot table out of these old pallets that I had. Just making an 8-foot table to have in here and move around. Okay, you want to put your square up there and make sure that's square, and I'll secure this.
Oh, wait a minute. Hang on.
Okay.
There, I guess.
Like it? Okay. I need to slide it out a little bit. There you go. You like it? So I've got it upside down, putting it together because the ground is relatively level. So we'll put these two sides on and then turn it upright and then put some other more support to it. Okay. Okay. Probably don't see my rear in the camera.
Is it all the way out? Is that where it needs to go?
That's fine. Actually,
What am I supposed to do with these?
we could use, we could use this. It's fine. I was gonna say 2x4, but this is just.
Do you still need these, or you want the longer ones?
Yeah, I want the 3-inch for this. Let's see. Pretty stiff the way it is there.
Hmm?
Cool. All right, I'll pick it up and just slide it over here in the middle. Okay. That'll work. Nice. Heck yeah. Not much we can do about that. So what I was thinking about using was either the black for the top here. What do you think?
Oh, you're gonna go that way across?
Yeah. Since we got a few of them left.
Are you done with them?
I don't know. I got more if we need to make more.
Well, you got scraps there too.
Right now. Yeah, in fact, I can use some of those for up here, I guess.
And I think those there are kind of twisted, aren't
I
they?
know, which might be good for here. We're cutting them, so might as well. All right, so we're going to cut some 3-footers to put across the top here on this workbench. We probably want to get it in place because it's going to be heavy if we don't, with all this wood on there. So I think we can just maybe set these up here. You know what I think we should do though? Is probably put a center section in there.
So you have something to screw it to?
Mm-hmm. So, okay, let's make 30 7/8.
Did you do the 30 7/8?
Yep, that's what I'm doing there, son. Let's get a measurement in here. And hook me on the inside. So about 85 and a big 3/4.
Hey, we're gonna move this before it gets too
Yeah,
heavy?
yeah, let's do that.
Probably already too heavy.
Probably.
I'm gonna have to push. I don't know if I can lift. Using this black one?
Yeah. Might as well.
Huh?
Might as well.
Is it thick or doesn't matter?
I think I should put a back on there to keep stuff from falling out of the back.
That's what I thought you were going to do with those little skinny boards.
Well, I need a solid.
Huh?
Well, yeah,
Well, no, that's what I thought you were going to do. Is like, that was your backsplash. That's why I was confused earlier.
Okay, let's pull it out. Oh, that's 8 foot in it. We could use that. Are these it right here? Oh, here.
Yeah. No. Yeah, those are. So you're putting that on before you put your.
Yeah, so the boards butt up to it. Yeah. Now, 3 feet. So what we're using here is the trim that we use for the barn here. It's just some leftover wood we had for the trim for the barn. So it'll make a good workbench.
So what are you going to do with your unevenness?
I'll have to cut them.
Huh?
I'll have to cut them.
With what?
What do you mean?
Remeasure or use that thingy?
Oh, let's pop a line and just cut it.
But see, your backsplash should have been a little longer.
Huh?
Your backsplash should have been longer.
It's all right. It's just a workbench. I think it'll work. A little wider, but not needed, but that's okay.
Wider? What do you mean?
It's wider than I really needed.
Oh, well, you.
But I wanted a lip here so I could hook my clamp onto in case I needed to. So it's okay. That'll work. Probably should pop a line in this front too. Why don't we do that? And my nails are straight.
Where my.
In the middle of that board on the front.
I assume this is the middle.
Like it?
Yeah, but this is the middle.
Now we just need to make sure there's no gap between them. So if you want to come here and just push on that, and I'll push this way.
Push on what?
Just make sure they're that way.
Cockeyed.
Might be able to get away with one in the middle.
Well. You want to do 2 on your end?
Hmm?
There is nothing here.
No, I didn't put one there.
Oh. It didn't push that way.
Huh?
It didn't get pushed that way.
It's your job. You like it?
Is it pushed? There's a gap.
Where?
Right by your hand. That one's offline.
Yeah, I see that. That one, let's get the clamp. We can straighten that out. And on that wall over there. Can you push it down, the board down? Oh, is that moving?
Yeah, it is moving. Why is it moving? Nope, it's still moving.
Well, I don't know that it's moving. Oh, that's weird.
Nope. No, it's not.
Is it closing it up?
Slowly. It's not closed all the way in the middle. Yeah.
Okay.
Two of them, you said?
You got it, girly girl.
Barely. It's heavy.
That'll work. I'm gonna get that chalk and we'll draw a line here. Are we there?
No. Shoot. I think we're there. I don't know. I hope I'm straight. I see my husband's been hurting my tree again.
Yeah, I need to get up on that ladder again to get a measurement up there. Your tree attacks people.
Brute.
Yeah, going outside, just kind of hold that in place.
Good go.
Really?
Yes.
Hold behind me. Hold behind me. Yeah, I didn't want that back kicking over. That's why I asked you to hold behind me. All right, well, that worked.
I didn't get them.
Got a mess in here now.
Memo. I was gonna get sprayed. Is it straight now?
Pretty straight.
Better than what it was?
Probably. Okay, workbench is done. We got it in place there. Got the pressure washer up underneath there. Got a lot of room. If I need to store anything, I can. But it's just an old workbench. I mean, I made out of that rough sawn lumber that we had. It was already stained, and pallet bottoms that had some heavy duty 2x6 and 4x4 pallet bottoms for the sides. So I've been needing a workbench there. So we got that made. I wasn't planning on doing that this afternoon, but got the RV out. We're getting it ready to go on a camping trip soon. And so yeah, glad we got that workbench done. Been needing it. So now I can have no excuse not to be somewhat organized. So need to work on that. I think that's where I'm going to end this video. I think this video's probably been all over the place, but that's kind of what we do, is just whatever jumps, we ended up jumping on it. So that's kind of what we did today. So y'all have a good evening, and we'll catch you next video. Thanks for joining Rolling Country Outdoors. Take care.